Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Think your password is unbreakable just because it's longer than 15 characters? Think again. New research shows even super long passwords can be cracked by cybercriminals using automated tools. There's a new top 10 list of the most common password lengths to be compromised. 8-character passwords are at number 1, meaning they're easiest to crack. 15-character passwords are there as well, in 8th place. So length alone isn't enough. You also need complexity and uniqueness. Always randomly generate passwords using a variety of characters. And use two-factor authentication where you generate a code on a second device. Even if your password is cracked, cybercriminals still won't be able to access your business's data. If we can help you stay safe, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.